Hello everyone, in this video we shall be looking at addition in binary numbers. In binary numbers are numbers in base 2. And in binary numbers, the only number we have is 0 and 1. And you have to be familiar with this chart in order to make your addition more easier. 2 in base 10 is equals to 10 in base 2, 1, 0. 3 in base 10 is equals to 1, 1 in base 2. 4 in base 10 is equals to 1, 0, 0 in base 2. 5 in base 10 is equals to 1, 0, 1 in base 2. So let's look at a problem. We have 1, 0, 1, 1 in base 2 plus 1, 1, 0, 0, 1 all in base 2. So we have 1 plus 1 is 2 in base 10. And to convert 2 in base 10, you have 2 divided by 2. You have 1. 1 times 1 is 2. This is 0. I have remainder 0. So you write remainder and carry 1 to the next. So 1 plus 1 is 2. You have 0, remainder 1. So 1 plus 0 plus 1 is 1. 1 plus 1 is 2. You write 0. The remainder carried 1. 1 plus 1 is 2. You write 0. Remainder 1 in base 2. So let's look at another problem. Have 1, 1, 1, 1, 0 all in base 2 plus 1, 1, 0, 0, 1 all in base 2. Have 0 plus 1 is 1. 1 plus 0 is 1. 1 plus 0 is 1. 1 plus 1 is 2. And 2 in base 2 is 1, remainder 0. Have remainder 2 plus 2. 1 plus 1 plus 1 is 3. And 3 in base 2 is 1, 1. 1, remainder 1. You have 1, remainder 1, and 1 in base 2. Let's look at another example. We have 1, 0, 0 plus 1, 1, 1 all in base 2. 0 plus 1 is 1. 0 plus 1 is 1. 1 plus 1 is 2. And 2 in base 10. 2 in base 2 is 1, remainder 0. 1. You write 0, carry the remainder. But nothing here, you bring it down. Have 1. All in base 2. Let's look at more examples. We have 1, 1, 1, 1, 1 in base 2 plus 1, 0, 1, 1 in base 2. 1 plus 1 is 2. And 2 in base 2 is 0, remainder 1. Bring it to next. Have 1 plus 1 plus 1 is 3. 3 in base 2 is 1. Carry the 1, the next one, have 2. 1 plus 1 plus 0 is 2. 2 in base 2 is 1. Remainder 0. Have 0, carry 1 to the next. You have 1 plus 1 plus 1 is 3. 3 in base 2 is 1. Remainder 1. Take it to the next one. You have 2 plus 2 is 0. Is 2. 1 plus 1 is 2. And 2 in base 2 is 0. 1. All in base 2. Thank you for watching this video.